Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to connect your Google Search Console account in Clearscope. First, you need to make sure that you've added your domain to your Google Search Console account. And you can watch this tutorial to learn how. You'll find the link at the end of this video. So I'm logged into my Clearscope account. This is the main home page. So click on Pages in the left side panel. And you'll see this pop up. Click on Connect Google Account. Then sign into your Google account and choose it. And then click on Continue. You'll be brought to this page. Check this box. And then click on Continue. Next, use this drop down. Choose the domain, like so. Then click this arrow button. On this page, enter your homepage URL here into this box. Choose your Google locale. I'll stick with the United States google.com. And then choose your language. Again, I'll stick to English. And then click on Create Project. It will then start working on it and then bring you to this page. Finally, click on Confirm. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully connected your Google Search Console account to your Clearscope account. To try Clearscope and get a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.